Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at basic Excel functions, text functions. And text functions are particularly useful when it comes to data cleaning. So we are going to see how it works. So we start with the upper, the lower, the proper, and then we'll move on to some other ones. So let's get right into it. Here we're starting with the upper. Upper is useful when you want to convert your text from lowercase, that's small letter, into capital letter. Okay, so we have this text written all in small letter. We want to write them in capital letter. So all you do is click on the cell where you want to have your results. Start your function, your formula with equal to the name of the function. This function takes only one argument. What text are you trying to convert into capitals? This. Close your parentheses and hit your enter key. So you have everything in capital letter. Let's drag this down. Let's copy this formula down. So bring your cursor to the edge of this cell. When you have this fill handle, you can double click or just drag down. And there you have it. In the same vein, if I want to convert this into small letters, same thing, the name of my formula. What text am I converting? This. Close my parentheses, enter. Everything is now in small letter. Copy this down. Bring your cursor to the edge of this cell. Once you have this plus sign, double click or drag down. But it's easier to double click because it's going to fill the entire data set, the entire column. Now, there's another function known as proper. Proper converts only the first letter into capital, the way a noun should be written, really. No noun should begin with a small letter, and you may not always want to write it in capital letter. So let's use the proper function. So you can see only the first letters are written in capital. Drag this down, and there you have it. Thank you.